Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram privacy settings. How to customize your privacy settings on Telegram. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications to get updates on my latest videos. I drop cryptocurrency updates. I drop on how to a lot of things on your laptop on how you can reset and undo custom display, how to reset color settings, how to enable night light, how to analyze tokenomics, how to and top altcoins to watch out for in 2025. Now, let's get over to how to customize privacy settings on your Telegram. Now, head over to your Telegram and click on settings. You click on your settings and you go to privacy and security. Now, if you want to impute a 2FA so that nobody can be able to log into your account, except although before they log into your Telegram, you need to give an access code or so. So you can impute auto delete messages. This is how to see blocked users and connected websites. These are active sessions. Now, for your phone number, you can easily click on who can see my phone number? Nobody. Who can find me by my number? You can easily put it by my contacts and save it so that you limit your privacy. Now, last seen and online, nobody. Profile photo, if you want to set it to nobody, you have options to set it to my contacts, nobody, or anything at all. Bio, everybody. Gifts, date of birth, my contacts. Forwarded messages, everybody. Calls, now this should be on nobody, because Telegram, nobody should be able to call you if you want a private stuff on Telegram. Group channels, nobody should be able to add you except you give them the permission to do so. Voice messages, everybody. Messages, everybody should be able to message you in case you're out to connect to people. So just archive and mute. So this is a perfect setting to use if you want to set your Telegram to be sophisticated and official. Messages, everybody. Voice messages, everybody. Calls, nobody. Forwarded messages, nobody should be able to see your name at the top of a forwarded message. You save it. Yeah. So bio, everybody. And last thing online, nobody. Thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, share my video, and let me know in the comment section anything you want me to add on my video, any improvement you want me to make. Thank you. I hope to see you in my next video.